Since it's hot out, today I'm going to be making pineapple lemonade. What all goes into pineapple lemonade? 46-ounce can of pineapple juice, 2 to 3 cans of Sprite. This was cheaper, I'll just use 36 ounces of this bottle. 3 to 4 cups of cold water. Countrytime lemonade, I'm just using the generic. Fresh lemons and fresh pineapple. And ice. So let's begin. Take a large pitcher. I believe this is a gallon size. So add your 3 to 4 cups of cold water. If you want it sweeter, add more water. All right, 4 cups of water. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of countrytime lemonade, so I'm going to be doing the 1 cup of the Great Value. And stir that until totally dissolved. Next, add 3/4 of the can of the pineapple juice, unless you really want a strong pineapple flavor. So that's 34.5 ounces. And that's 32 right there. And we'll just do 34, make it easy. And give that a stir. 36 ounces of Sprite, or to your desired taste. And give that a stir. So then add your ice. Then add lemon slices. And pieces of pineapple. And then we'll wait until Dave gets home to do a taste test. So here is the pineapple lemonade. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Pineapple lemonade.
No weird stuff in this one?
Could be.
Oh, that's good. I was expecting more firecracker whiskey or...
Actually, to be an adult liquid, you can add Malibu rum.
Coconut rum would be good in this. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.